To watch this video in Hindi, go to video settings, click on audio tracks and select your preferred language. Manifestation. All of us are more or less familiar with this word today. What is it actually? In simple terms, it is a practice where we strive to actualize our ideas by aligning our beliefs, thoughts, actions, and feelings, basically everything, with that idea. Today's video talks about the power of that manifestation, but through a very ancient hymn, the Shree Suktam. Shri Sukta is a Rigvedic hymn dedicated to Devi Shree. It is found in the Khila Khanda of Rigveda. The 15 verses of this hymn evoke a reality that was as desirable back then as it is today. Only the language has changed. So let us all sink into a beautiful Shree thought without delay. What is Shree? The word Shree is used in many senses. It is the name of Lord Vishnu's beloved wife and Shakti, Goddess Lakshmi. On the other hand, the third of the 10 Mahavidyas, Raj Rajeshwari Tripura Sundari, is also called by this name. This is where the names Sri Vidya and Sri Yantra come from, although all goddesses are actually different expressions of the same energy. Actually, the word Sri means benevolent, pure, beautiful, auspicious, aesthetic, basically all sorts of positive energy. This energy is a part of the infinite power of this universe. It is beautiful, kind, and giving. It is believed that this energy provides us with everything we need to survive, be it food, wealth, or even peace of mind. And the Shree Suktam is a tool for invoking this immense power. In a sense, it's a praise of Goddess Mahalakshmi, as she has been revered as a symbol of good fortune and prosperity in the Indian subcontinent since ancient times. She is Sarva Mangala, the ever benevolent, one who cares for the well-being of the entire world. The way the goddess has been described in the Shree Sukta is indeed a personification of a prosperous and beautiful life. She is as bright as a million suns, and her complexion is golden. At the same time, she is beautiful like the moon. All these descriptions are really poetic, which helps us visualize the glory of that benevolent force. Goddess Shree is calm. She smiles beautifully and she is forgiving and content. It feels like the reciter is seeing himself or herself in the goddess and expecting themselves to become like her. They want to realize how it feels to be so peaceful and content in life. The kind of abundance this hymn talks about doesn't only involve financial abundance, but this is deeply rooted in the mind, which helps people to remain calm and satisfied even in difficult situations of life. The comparison of the lotus flower with the goddess can be seen so often that it is impossible to overlook it. She dwells in the lotus flower. She is as beautiful as a lotus. Only a lotus flower can be compared to the enchanting beauty of her eyes. Even in her hands, we can see the same flower. What is this lotus? The lotus is not only a beautiful flower, but a flower that grows in the mud but never gets dirty. Just like Goddess Shree, the negativity of the worldly life cannot stain her. She is always pure and bright. Secondly, the lotus is a symbol of structure. Countless petals beautifully intertwine to form a delicate yet firm structure. Goddess Shree also symbolizes rules, structure, and discipline. We all know that no one succeeds without these qualities. Even today, this ancient hymn is very dear to us. Many people believe that by reciting or just listening to the Shree Sukta, we can attract wealth in our life. But the problem is that through this belief, we confine the value of the Shree Sukta only to financial gain. We have forgotten its deeper meaning and purpose. Shree Sukta is actually a complete manifestation. Anyone reading this hymn is actually wishing for a fulfilling life not just financially. Let us see what we are praying for by reciting this hymn. Invocation of wealth is certainly an important aspect of the Shree Sukta. Unless a person is financially secure in life, they can't focus on the deeper and subtler aspects of the mind. One who is reciting Shree Suktam is praying to the goddess for food crops, money, cattle, and horses, asking the goddess to keep them free from poverty and debt. These demands are deeply connected with the agrarian social life of that time. Another important factor in an agrarian society is the life-giving water of the monsoon. So the goddess is also being prayed for rain so that all the seeds germinate. The Gajalakshmi form of hers indicate this fulfilling and nature-like aspect of Shree. Apart from material gain, family harmony is also mentioned in this hymn. Anyone reciting this is asking for a house full of children and grandchildren. In those days, in clan-based rural societies, the larger the family, the more secure the individual was. They are also praying for honest neighbors and honest employees. Another thing worth noting, the seer of this hymn is not only asking for external things, but we can see a deep sense of self-awareness. The goddess is being prayed for a long and healthy life, a life which is disease-free. This awareness that health is a part of a fulfilling life is really appreciable. The goddess is therefore prayed to provide the somras, a type of divine drink that symbolizes healing and rejuvenation. The reciter is asking the goddess to stay in their life forever, just like good fortune. The goddess is also being asked to destroy their sin. So it's not about getting money and good fortune only, but it's also about keeping our karma clean and pure, so that we don't have to choose the wrong path in life. The reciter is also asking for yash, which means he or she wants to attain a place in life that will bring not only money but also honor. They are also asking the goddess to free them from the negative sides of their mind, such as anger, violence, and greed. Consider how the seer separates the acquisition of wealth from greed. After painting the image of this perfect life, the reciter prays that when the duties of life are all performed, they want to be free from all these desires and attain moksha. That means leaving the cycle of life and death forever. If Goddess Lakshmi symbolizes all the positive sides of life, then there should be an opposing force as well, where there is only impurity, unrest, dissatisfaction, and the sense of lack. This state is imagined as a Lakshmi. The goddess is therefore prayed to remove this negativity or Alakshmi from their life. Do you know why Shree Sukta connects so deeply even in the present time? Because the picture of a perfect life which is painted through the Shree Sukta is eternal, not about a particular country or a particular time. Even today, we seek financial security, precious family bonds, and good health, both physical and mental. We manifest this same desire in different ways in different languages. Hence, the appeal of the Shree Sukta is eternal. Personally, I think if we read the Shree Sukta with understanding, then we can awaken the Shree within us. That is the real purpose. God lives within us. This beautiful, serene and forgiving nature is actually hidden somewhere in our mind and soul. But the negativity of everyday life, or you can say a Lakshmi, takes it away from us. Hope you like this video. Stay connected with me through Sepia Diaries for more content like this. We'll meet soon. Till then, stay happy, stay well.